Toolbox Talk 97 Work Practices. Ensure that thorough planning takes place before each job. Understanding the job requirements ahead of time allows you to do the job more smoothly and with fewer errors. This prevents rushing to make up for time lost to rework or other problems due to misunderstanding. Know which tools, equipment and PPE you will need to do the job. Know the location of emergency exits, fire extinguishers and sources of assistance. Have an emergency and exit strategy plan for every situation. Inspect PPE before use. Inspect the tools and equipment you will use. This includes hand tools, power tools, portable cords and conveyances. Inspect equipment and work areas for danger signs. These can include unsafe working conditions, posted notices and safety barriers. Inspect your methods as you work. Are you doing the job as per specifications and standards? Are you using the right tools, materials, equipment and methods? Are you doing the job safely? Inspect your work when you're done. Did you follow your company's safe system on work? Is the workmanship good? Did you clean up the area? Use the necessary PPE when completing all job tasks. Before starting any task, assess it for the required PPE. There is no excuse for the typical eye injury, as wearing safety glasses should be a standard practice. Use PPE to safeguard your co-workers by reminding them if they are not wearing the correct PPE. Take care of tools and equipment. Use the correct tools and equipment for each job. Inspect tools before use and clean tools after they have been used. Store tools in the correct manner to minimize damage. Avoid confrontations with criminals by using the proper anti-theft measures when leaving tools in a vehicle or on a job site. Know which energy sources can provide power to the equipment that you are conducting work on. Lock them out and tag them out unless you need the equipment energized for troubleshooting or testing. When you de-energize equipment, apply grounds so a misapplied incoming energy source cannot energize the equipment until you remove the ground and authorize return to service. Use adequate shielding and guards to reduce exposure to energy sources. For example, use a rubber blanket on adjacent gear if you must work live on an open switchboard. Reduce loads on breakers before operating them. For example, shut down the branch circuits that are feeder supplied before opening the feeder breaker. The more load the breaker is under, the higher the risk of an arc flash. Conduct work from an attitude of quality. Follow procedures. If you believe a procedure to be wrong, don't just ignore it. Let your supervisor know why and what the change needs to be. Be neat. Keeping your work area clean and organised has many benefits. Among those, it saves time, reduces errors, improves safety, and it just plain looks better. Use good workmanship. This improves the perceived quality for your company and customers. Pride in workmanship reinforces attention to safety.